हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे आप सब लोग? होप से सब फाइन रहेंगे। आज हम बात करेंगे थाईलैंड के कुछ प्लेसेस के बारे में और डिस्कवर करेंगे थाईलैंड को। ये वीडियो मैं इंग्लिश में बनाऊंगा ताकि बाहर रहने वाले मेरे दोस्त लोग भी ये वीडियो को देख सके और नीचे सबटाइटल हिंदी में आ जाएंगे। तो चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं और बात करते हैं थाईलैंड के प्लेसेस के बारे में जहाँ आप विजिट कर सकते हैं 2022 में। वीडियो बड़ी अच्छी होने वाली है, तो कृपया करके लास्ट तक वीडियो को देखिए। जो मेरे चैनल में नए हैं तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए और दोस्तों में शेयर कीजिए। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद बैंकॉक। Thailand capital is fast buzzing city, over 8 million people, known for its cosmopolitan feel and vibrant street life. Bangkok is also a great gateway to the country's best temple and places. And while it's easy to forget when walking among Bangkok's skyscrapers, the city's heart is on the water. The many canals network throughout the neighborhoods and the vibrant Chao Phraya River, which can tour on a long tail boat cruise. For those in a shopping mood, Bangkok is home to many shopping centers, including uber luxurious Siam Paragon and travel-inspired Terminal 21, as well as a number of traditional floating markets. For a more unique experience, nothing can beat Chatok Market, one of the largest outdoor markets in the world, and a labyrinth of over 8,000 stalls. Chautak has it all and sells it at local prices. At the top of the thing to do in Bangkok is the Grand Palace, a complex of buildings that include Wat Phra Kaew, the Royal Reception Halls, the Wat Pho, which houses a 46-meter long reclining Buddha covered in a gold leaf. So let's talk about the second place to visit, that is Chiang Mai. Shrouded in misty jungly mountains, Chiang Mai is one of the best destinations in Thailand for travelers looking to see a different side of the country. A city of ancient constructions, thick tropical rainforest and hill trekking. A good way to see the white side of Chiang Mai is to head out to Dai Inthan National Park, which is the part of Himalayan mountain range and home to remote villages and stunning viewpoints. Chiang Mai is home to more active Buddhist temples than any other city in Thailand, including the famous Doi Suthep, a favorite viewpoint with impressive views over downtown. Wat Phra Singh and Wat Phra, that Doi Suthep, just outside of the city. You also find a number of hill tribes, including the Mai Hill tribe and the Karen tribe. Organized tours can take you there to learn more about their history and lifestyle and to buy handicrafts tribe members sell to sustain themselves. While in town, take a walk down to San Kamphaeng Road, a 10-kilometer long road where local crafters sell everything from celadon pottery to silk products. Now let's talk about the third place to visit, that is Ayutthaya. Located 80 kilometers north of Bangkok, the ancient city of Ayutthaya was once Thailand's capital back in the 14th century when the kingdom of Siam was at its strongest. Today the ruins of the kingdom can be toured while walking the Ayutthaya Historical Park, a UNESCO site home to many Prang, Wat and stucco statues. The park is surrounded by 3 rivers and deep moats and covers an area of 289 hectares. Wat Phra Mahatat is perhaps the most famous temple here thanks to a statue of Buddha head entwined in tree roots. Wat Phra Si Sanphat, the largest of temples in the park, features 3 long silver-looking chedis, while Wat Yai Chai Mongkol is best known for its giant reclining Buddha and the hundreds of sitting Buddha statues surrounding the temple, all draped in golden cloth. Now let's talk about Koh Samui, home to some of the best palm-fringed beaches in Thailand and plenty of luxury resorts. Koh Samui has a lot more to offer than sunbathing heaven. One of the most popular holiday spots in Thailand, Koh Samui is home to mountain rainforest, postcard-worthy beaches and breathtaking sunsets. There are plenty of spas and temples to discover here, including the famous Wat Phra Yai and its 12-meter tall Big Buddha. Koh Samui neighboring also have much to offer and are just a quick ferry ride. Koh Tao is a smaller island right off coast to Koh Samui is one of the prime scuba diving destinations in Thailand. Ang Thoi National Marine Park, which extends over 42 islands in this area, is a protected area home to many exotic animal species and a perfect destination for trekking through the thick Thai jungle. Now let's talk about the fifth destination, Phuket. Situated off the west coast of Thailand in the Andaman Sea, Phuket is home to some of the country's most visited beaches and is a popular destination for a beach vacation. Travelers go to Katanui Beach for quiet scenery, to Nai Han Beach to find crystal clear waters under the shade of palm trees, and to Sunrin Beach if they are going for luxury resorts and high-end cuisine overlooking the sea. The spiritual side of Phuket can be found at the top of Naked Hills, where the 45-meter tall Big Buddha towers over the island. Wat Chlong is the largest temple in Phuket and home to stupas said to hold a bone fragment of Buddha. Phuket town is worth exploring on foot to discover the Sino-Portuguese buildings that line up Thailand Road and the old shop houses converted into thriving businesses and markets. Now let's talk about the sixth place to visit is Krabi Islands. Over 200 islands make up Krabi province with a significant amount of land now designated as national parks. The region is home to some of the best beaches in Asia. Krabi coast is also rugged, characterized by vertical steep limestone cliffs that are very popular with climbers. Stunning Railay Beach in particular attracts climbers from all over the world, though it's also famous for its caves. The Phi Phi Islands are surrounded by limestone rocks and offer coral-fringed waters and some of the best snorkeling in Thailand. Sailing and bird watching are popular here. Visitors looking for some land activities can head inland to explore Thang Teo Forest National Park, a mostly virgin rainforest with warm water, natural pools and lush rainforest alive with exotic fauna. Let's talk about the next place to visit, that is Kanchanaburi. Kanchanaburi is best known for its dark connection with World War II, especially the construction of the bridge over the river Kawai. Infamous for being part of the Death Railway, the bridge was part of the line meant to connect Thailand with Burma, and it was built using forced labor provided by Allied prisoners of war. Over 1600 POWs died during the construction of the railway, including many British soldiers. The Royal Air Force bombed and damaged the bridge extensively during the war, but it was quickly rebuilt and still stands today. Most of the railway line, however, was eventually abandoned or not finished. Nowadays, it's possible to walk across the bridge on narrow side platforms or take a short train from one side to other. The Kanchanaburi War Cemetery nearby is the final resting place of many prisoners of war who died here, while the Thailand-Burma Railway Center recounts the story of the railway construction and the men who lost their lives for it, using interactive displays and video exhibits. The themed museum, the World War II Museum and Art Gallery, and the Jet War Museum offer more insights into the times, with collections that cover everything from paintings to documents to World War II weapons. For those with some extra time to explore, Kanchanaburi also offers a lighter side in form of stunning nature. About 90 minutes north of the bridge are the Iravan Falls, a 7-tier waterfall, and emerald green ponds hidden in the thick rainforest. Now let's talk about the next destination, Sukhothai. Sukhothai Thani is a small town better known for being home to the Sukhothai Historical Park, a UNESCO site that houses the ruins of the 13th century Sukhothai kingdom. Surrounded by the ancient city walks, the park contains 193 ruins in total, a combination of 26 temples, a royal palace, and many stupas and examples of stucco statuary. The most impressive temples on the ground is Wat Mahathat, which features 9 large stupas, a pillared pavilion, and 2 9-meter tall standing Buddha images. The other ruins you can't miss are Neon Prasad, a former royal palace, and Wat Si Sawai, the oldest temple in the park. Wat Si Sai, located in the middle of the lake and accessible only through a wooden bridge, is one of the most photographed place. Now let's talk about the next place to visit is Chiang Rai. Sitting right on the border with Myanmar and Laos, the mountain city of Chiang Rai is famous for its trekking in Lam Nam Kok National Park, with trails leading to stunning waterfalls such as 70-meter tall Khun Khon waterfall, lush forest, and hilltop tribe villages. As with most Thai cities, temples are a huge attraction in Chiang Rai, with Wat Rong Khon or White Temple coming up at the top of the list. Wat Rong Khon is technically no longer a temple but a privately owned compound. Another popular temple is Wat Tham Pai, which can be reached by climbing a staircase flanked by the guardian Naga serpents. The Wat Thraw View, famous for once hosting the Emerald Buddha until it was moved to Grand Palace in Bangkok, and Doi Tang Mountain, home to a botanical garden, a former royal residence, and a temple with fantastic views, are also worth a visit. Now let's talk about another place to visit is Pattaya. Once a quiet fishing village, Pattaya is now closest beach getaway for Bangkok people, less than 2 hours away, while most visitors come here to escape the buzz of the Thai capital and soak up some sun. There's much more to do in this beachfront. Hat Sai Kyu and Koh Samet Beach are good place to start your visit. They are full of colorful food stalls, beach umbrellas, and stunning beach resorts. Koh Lan, Coral Island, is famous for its glass-bottom boats that offer amazing views of the coral reefs, while Koh Lan Island is the prime destination for active pursuits such as parasailing and windsurfing. For a quick sightseeing day trip from Pattaya, head to Chantaburi Sapphire Mine. Organized tours will give you a fascinating insights into the mining that's been going on in the area for centuries. Or visit CM Pattaya, an outdoor park that holds miniature replicas of world famous monuments including the Statue of Liberty, Angkor Wat and the bridge over the river Kwai. If you want to see at least one temple while you are here, Wat Phra Yai Temple is the one. Also known as Big Buddha Hill, the Wat features an 18-meter tall golden Buddha overlooking the entire town. For a fun, relaxed afternoon, try some Pattaya's museum including Ripley's Believe It or Not and the 3D museum Art in Paradise. Now let's talk about the last place to visit is Khao Yai National Park. Khao Yai National Park is Thailand's oldest national park and still one of the most popular because of its large population of wild elephants. Covering an area of just under 2000 square kilometers, the breathtaking park is home to rainforests, mountains and grasslands. The variety of terrain means an equally rich fauna with gibbons, jackals and even bears calling the park home. High Swat waterfall, famous for a scene in Leonardo DiCaprio's The Beach movie, can be accessed on foot while hiking the park. Visitors can take to the trekking and biking trails here or hire a park ranger to drive them to usually inaccessible water holes where elephants come to drink water. तो दोस्तों, आपको मेरा वीडियो कैसा लगा नीचे कमेंट्स में लिख के बताइए। वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए, दोस्तों में शेयर कीजिए और अगर मेरे चैनल में नए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू।